I love fashion.
I would say I'm pretty conservative. Sometimes.
It shows that you don't have to go out of the country to find great fashion. You don't have to go to Paris or Milan or whatever the case.
Usually will wear a blouse unless I'm really feeling like I'm having a fat day.
Sunglasses for Fashion Week. Very big, bold statement.
I am wearing big lashes.
No, to be honest, I'm not because I'm working right now.
I guess I tend to be a little bit more retro.
I love buying new things.
I'm a low-class rock and roll.
American men, I think, will feel a bit awkward wearing skinny jeans in the beginning.